Let's take a very brief look at using a regular expression inside a constraint, a check constraint. So here I'm going to add an email address to an arbitrary table inside my schema. I'm going to add the check constraint on the email column, and you want to ensure that the email address always contains an @ symbol. So we alter the table and we say check regular expression like. We're just basically looking for this thing inside there. You obviously can't say where email like because it's not part of a SQL statement. So the regular expression gets executed as an embedded expression without having to actually include a SQL query. I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate by updating one with an @ sign, one without. So let's take this example. Let's push this into here. This is a practical application inside Oracle. So let's add this field to my table. If I go to this table here, here's my ACT table. That now has an email field. Look at the data. Here are all my ACTs and all my emails are null. Let's go back to here. Let's alter the table and add the check constraint. And I can actually go into the table again and look at the constraints, and I will find the check constraint in here. And yes, I called it email address, and I should be able to open this. No, wait a minute. Here. Well, it's there anyway. I can see the search condition. Now let's go back to here. Now let's add something. So we're going to try to add Bob Dylan, who has an @ sign in his email address. It says one row updated. I'm going to go and try and update Paul McCartney, and it's going to say you can't do that because the check constraint email address is violated. The pattern does not match. So if I go and look at the data again, I should be able to find. Let's sort it by name. Where is Bob Dylan? Oh, we've got to actually update it. Refresh. There's Bob Dylan with his email address. And obviously if we go and look for Paul McCartney, we're going to find no change in there. And I'm going to clear this up and drop that field from that table.